Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Canon Pixma G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the cartridges. So how to change the print heads on this device. So basically, many people have the problem with changing the print heads, and the problem is when you opening the cover, the print heads are not moving on the center of the printer to change it, right? So basically, it's very easy to do, but your printer should work. So your printer should be enabled. So firstly, close the cover, right, and then just open maintenance. Afterwards, scroll down and here click replace ink in printhead. Click OK, click all colors. This requires a large amount of ink, only perform under a certain set of conditions, right? Cool. Then click OK, and afterwards it will ask you to open the cover, and when you will open the cover of the printer, inks will move to the center of the printer and you can change it. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so write a comment and leave me a like. Hey on, bye.